play the song. 2, 3, go. Scheme of things, trying to fit in, it doesn't show, 'cause I don't know. You can decide, would it walk right to walk in sync with the scheme of things? There comes a time you walk the line that you can see clearly, and all that you say, and all that I am, and all that you say, but you don't give a damn. Word of words, deed of deeds, faith of faith, and need of needs, all in the lines of your hands. Or would you like to be born again? Scheme of things I try to fit in. It doesn't show, 'cause I don't know. You can decide what it was right to walk in sync with the scheme of things. Scheme of things I try to fit in. Sing it. It doesn't show, 'cause I don't know. You can decide what would work right to walk in sync with the scheme of things.
Hello and welcome back to India Post Live, India's first online live news interactive conversation web portal. I'm Isyama Bhutia. Well guys, it's Friday again and it's been a crazy week for you, most of you I'm sure, especially with the crazy weather outside. And well, today I'm joined in the studio by some crazy people. So well, sorry, not crazy people, but the name of the band is called Crazy Weather. Welcome guys.
Hi.
Gookie, yeah, he's the vocalist, guitarist and producer of Crazy Weather.
That's right, that's right.
And Arpan, he's the bassist and vocalist for Crazy Weather. Welcome guys to our show.
Thank you,
Gookie,
thank you.
let me first come to you.
Please.
Tell us about a bit about your band. How did you guys come together?
I really thought on the last you were going to say we had some crazy weather outside. Now we got some crazy weather inside. I really thought you were going to say that. You didn't, but I said that, so that's all right. Thanks for having us, India Post Live. It's great fun. We're here at your studio in Noida, and it was raining outside, and now we're going to make it rain inside. So yeah.
So tell us, I mean, how did you guys come together, Arpan?
Gookie was, I think, writing the songs in the album for quite some time. You know, I think it was about 3 years or something he's been writing, and he worked with various lineups before. He was working with our third guy, Daniel Rajan, and we met up
Who
one
plays
day.
drums? He's not here with
he's
us
not here
today.
with us.
So yes, Daniel,
Yeah.
big wave out to you.
Yeah.
So he met up with he met up with Daniel, and then eventually we know each other from quite some time. So he made me listen to the songs, and I was very impressed with the lyrical content, with the musical content, and what he was producing, his ideas. However, these songs were very different earlier. We had different versions. Eventually, when we came up with the final version, he himself played the bass, he played the guitar, he played pretty much a lot of production work, and he finished the album. And then we went to the live situation, you know, and we sort of started developing the songs. We want to do that, you know, develop the songs while we're on tour. It's
Okay.
way different in the album than we're doing it while we're touring.
And it's very different right now also.
As well, yeah.
So let me ask you, okay, I'm curious, like, why crazy weather? Was the weather crazy outside, like today when you guys were, you know, trying to come up with a name?
No, the band name has been this for many years now. Crazy Weather. It's just, I don't know, a couple of letters floating in the sky. I don't know.
Okay.
But the way they come together, it evokes some feelings which are not easily pin downable. You know, that's the idea of Crazy Weather. We like to do a lot of different styles of music. We play everything from metal to funk rock to alternative. To acoustic, so that's the idea. You know, it's crazy, but each song has a weather, a mood of its own.
Okay.
Yeah.
You know,
Having
we try,
said
we
that,
try.
you know, I have a feeling that, you know, every time we guys are together trying to make music or play music in a jam room or something, there are various seasons we go through. You know, various weathers that we come up. Sometimes it's summer.
It's
sometimes
emotional, then it comes
Sometimes
across
it's
in your
spring.
playing,
Sometimes it's
you know.
winter. You know what I mean? Sometimes it's good. Sometimes
So-
it's bad. So that's how. It's pretty crazy, you know.
Winters, you write depressing songs. It's
melancholy songs. Yeah, winter is
because it's winter in
melancholic.
Delhi, and
yeah,
winter in
yeah.
Delhi is
Melancholic, yeah, for sure.
Okay.
it's beautiful, but yeah.
So from where do you guys draw your inspiration from, Arpan, for your songs?
Inspiration could be, you know, he writes the song. I mean, lyrically, I think a lot of it comes out from literature. You know, I think he reads a lot of books, and his influences are not just musical. Okay, they're very practical. Yeah, books, as in like he reads literature. You know, I mean, all kinds of
I'm an English honors student,
student, yeah.
from
And yeah.
Delhi University, so of course some of that
influence comes in. He has experiences. So, like I was talking to you about, you know, I related to those experiences.
Yeah, I
you
mean,
know?
for me to, you know, like a song, I mean, I have to relate to the song. If I'm not able to relate to the song, but I will not like it.
Yeah.
Whether be it my genre, the kind of music that I listen to, right?
And we all definitely want to break out of that whole idea of genre. You know what I mean? That's not our job. I mean, it's the distributor's or seller's job. I mean, we can just make music.
Yeah, I mean,
you know?
if you can move to a song played
yeah.
stripped down to its skeleton on an acoustic guitar, then that's the song right there.
So are you guys saying that you don't follow any genre per se?
See, we've been in the rock and roll genre for almost 15 years now, so you can't take that away from us. You can't make us suddenly be EDM stars, which we're not going to be.
Okay.
But yeah, like this is a very true sound. We really feel passionate about the guitars. And most of the songwriting happens on the guitar.
I don't really think he ever thought about, you know, a genre while he was writing a song. You know
Yeah,
what I
nobody
mean?
does that.
Okay.
Nobody does that. Yeah.
Okay, I'm also joined online by Rishabh Rana on Skype from New Delhi. Hello, Rishabh.
Hello,
Welcome to the show.
Hey, Rishabh.
Hi, Rishabh.
thank you.
Okay, Rishabh, well, in the studio today we have Arpan and Gookie of Crazy Weather. So, any questions and comments? Please go ahead.
I really liked your song, and was this the same song that you have written for your World Cup, like the one you have composed for the
No,
World Cup?
we haven't given that away as yet, so you'll have to hang on a little bit for that.
Okay. So this was a song for the evening tonight, today's evening.
Yeah, this is a song called Scheme of Things. It's on our debut album, but this is an acoustic version because it's raining outside. So yeah.
It's a crazy weather outside. Yeah.
So you guys have been playing here in the NCR region or other places also?
We are based out of NCR, so we've been playing here. Just a couple of shows old. We're not very many shows old, but hopefully some more. You know.
Okay.
Cheers.
So, yeah. Tell me, Rishabh, tell us about your the recently released album Half Life. It's called Half Life,
Yes,
right?
yes.
So tell us a bit about that. Was there any message that you wanted to convey, and why Half-Life?
Half-Life is our debut album. It was released in Feb 2014. Right now it's being sold online in a couple of portals. The name of the album is Half-Life. I've just hit 30 years last year. I've turned 30. And the name of the album is, of course, inspired from a popular video game also called Half-Life. And, it's like I think I've reached a stage where I could put together a lot of experiences that I've had now that I'm 30 and write them in the form of songs and
I'm
release that as an
32.
album. I'm going to be 32. I'm not saying that right now in a month, but whatever. But the point is that, yes, I think I've reached a Half-Life. That's a metaphorical, allegory to that, whatever. Yeah, that's why the album is called Half-Life. We have a
Okay.
song also called Half-Life on the album.
So, do you want to? I mean, I'm sure our audience must be waiting for you to hear your song from the new album.
Sure.
Can you do that?
Sure. This is
Yeah.
a song called Humpty Dumpty.
That's right.
Okay.
It's a popular folk song, but this is like a crazy weather twist on it. This song was written a couple of years ago. This is on the album called Half-Life. This one's called Humpty Dumpty. Humpty Dumpty sat on the wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. Humpty Dumpty sat on the wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. He's had his share of fall. It's unfortunate that he's back on square one. She said she's found a man in you, but you find that you are one of two. They won't let me live in peace, for all this money belongs to me. Humpty Dumpty sat on the wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. Humpty Dumpty sat on the wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. Dumpty came for my luck. Nobody seems to give a fuck. You think you've seen it all, till life steps in and takes that call. I bled my soul to distill your words from my heart and to free my will. Humpty Dumpty sat on the wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. Humpty Dumpty sat on the wall. That wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. Well, now you find yourself on that wall, from where you put to his fall, and now you find yourself on that wall, from where you push to his fall. Humpty Dumpty sat on the wall.
Guys, that was really cool. I didn't know that,
Thank you.
Humpty Dumpty could sound so good. Well, guys,
Absolutely.
if you want to participate in the show and have a song request, please join in. Send us your participation request via Google Hangout or Skype. You can also send us your tweets to @IndiaPostLive or #IndiaPostLive. That's our Twitter handle. Well, I'm joined online by Rishabh Rana. Rishabh? Hello, Rishabh?
Yeah.
So, what do you think about the song Humpty Dumpty?
It's a song which can be now introduced into for the classes of,
Right.
for the children and all. I mean, they can have.
I think we wait for the children to grow up a little bit before we make them
Listen to the song.
this
yeah.
version.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, Rishabh? Rishabh?
So,
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah, please go ahead.
How old are you, Rishabh?
I am 22.
Okay, I think you're old enough for this
Okay.
this song then. I'm sorry.
Yeah, I meant that the newer generation can also go with this song. I mean, they can relate to this song that they have studied or learned this poem in the childhood and
Yeah,
now
yeah.
having it in a new genre itself. So it's
Yes,
cool.
I hope, Rishabh, I really wish you listen to the album and listen to the song
Yeah.
again, as in the live version of the song, and maybe like try to listen to the lyrics of this song, and it would mean something else. It's not about the rhyme. It's
No, of course. the
yeah, it's
thing
not
is
about
that
the
There's a hidden meaning.
There's a very hidden meaning in the song. Listen to it properly and nicely, and download the song, stream the song. Come to crazyweatheronline@gmail.com and like our Facebook page.
Yes.
And
That's
from
right.
there on, you can follow all the other links that we have there, including our videos. And you'll have a nice idea about what this song is about.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, Rishabh.
Yeah. So, Arpan, tell me, you compose your own songs, right? It's all your original content. So, tell us the importance of having your own original content and what kind of challenges do you face?
Okay,
while
now let me
composing?
rephrase that. There is nothing that I am doing. It's all that we are doing. In fact, there's a lot of things that Gookie Singh is doing. He writes his songs, and when we say songs, they are sung. Okay, so that is like lyrical content.
That's why Arpan is so passionate,
Yeah.
because
Yeah.
that's why he's playing in the band.
Yeah, I like the lyrical content. I have played with a lot of artists, over 30 artists in last 15 years of my career as a professional artist. And what I really like about Crazy Weather's music is the lyrical content is extremely rich, and it means a lot more than the music, And that's extremely inspiring for me. Like I said in the beginning of the interview, I really am inspired with the content.
All these songs are lifted from other artists.
As in,
Not.
Okay, not in both.
yeah, melodically, harmonically, rhythmically, we can draw influences, and people can sort of classify. But the moment it comes to the subject of text, it's a really serious issue.
Okay, yeah. So tell me, I'm a bit confused, because your profile says that you do independent music.
That's
because,
right.
I was going around asking people, what is independent music? So tell
Okay.
me, what is independent music?
Very briefly, I'd like to put it across, Independent music means independent artists who support their own music, their own production, their own distribution.
It's a DIY,
It's
do
a
it yourself.
DIY, yeah. That's why we are independent. Earlier we had a different kind of industry. Now we have a different kind of industry. Earlier there was industry who would allocate you resources. That could be
Like
distribution
Warner Brothers
ways.
gave $10 million
Yeah.
to Prince come out with an album,
Not just Warner Brothers. I'm just talking about the domestic scene and the Indian labels. They would come up with a fund section or some resource section which would say, hey, I'm going to distribute that much. I'm going to give you a recording cost. I'm going to give you these things.
Yeah.
Because of online media and because of a very advent change in last 10 years in digital media, I would specify it, the industry has twisted around. A lot of artists, for us people who do not get support or who do not want support.
We were just discussing this
Yeah.
particular question right now before the show
yes.
started about
Exactly.
the same thing that you're talking about.
Exactly. So that's how we are independent. You know what I mean? When we wanted to have our record be published by a UK record company, we actually knew what we were doing, and now we know what they are going to do for us.
So are you trying to say that independent music means you compose your own song, you handle the post-production,
You handle the production, you handle the post-production, you do the release yourself.
You do the release yourself
Yes,
too?
yes.
Okay.
We've released online on through a UK
And you know,
label.
it just doesn't happen like that. In last 15 years, starting from learning how to play the guitar to write, to learn to be educated about how music
The
as a
industry
subject
works,
is,
yeah.
and then learning production, post-production, TV, media, audio, you know, everything. You know, I mean, we just had to imbibe it. You know.
Yeah.
So,
And then put it in a table at our own will, at our own choice.
Time, own money,
Yeah.
and that's how it is. But that's okay. I think there's a lot of creative freedom in that because sometimes,
Yeah.
you know, people, if they're giving you the money to do something, they might want to have some, you know, creative inputs. Which is fine. Which is fine. Well, please give us some money. We
Yeah.
We'll do it. Produce it. Exactly.
we will do exactly
And
what
it's
you
very
want.
hard, you know, to come up with a world-class standard record, you know, or let's say IMI standard record, Indian music industry standard record,
Yeah.
you know. It's very hard to do that. It took us a long time to get here. It took Gookie a very long time to get here, you know.
Yeah.
And then we have this constant bonding. We know each other from more than a decade time, and
Yeah.
that would be the precise reason of us being together in India. We don't have any other objective.
so
Yeah.
tell us, I mean, you know, what has been the response to you ever since you launched the band, and what has
Yes.
been the response, and how difficult it is to keep your fans engaged in your music? I mean,
That's-
how do you do things differently?
That's, I think, what we're doing right now is very different. We haven't done a web online gig
Yeah.
ever. I think I've been doing this for a couple of years. I've never done this, which is really interesting. It's a good question, actually, how to keep fans engaged because there's so much music happening.
Yeah, there's a lot of competition.
There's a lot of music. There's a lot of bands.
I don't really think there's any kind of competition. You know why? Because everybody is learning from each other. Everybody's influenced of each other. Everybody is taking inputs from each other. Everybody's helping each other. This is like a community.
Yeah.
All right. And here, when we say what is the response of people, I mean, like, we are not really looking at responses. We want the reaction of people. Are they relating to us? Are they with us? They are with us. That's why we are here. You know, they are with us. If they wouldn't be with us, we wouldn't be here.
Yeah, I mean, obviously, it's a
Okay.
if you're not
Okay,
feeling that.
so I'm also joined online on Google Hangout by Yashodan. Yashodan is a finalist of Saregama Little Chance.
Hi,
Hi,
Yashodan.
Yashodan.
Hey there, hello.
Hi, welcome to India Post Live.
Thank you.
Where are you calling from, Yashodan?
I'm calling from Delhi.
Oh, hi, yeah. So, Yashodan, today in the studio I have with me Gookie Singh and Arpan of the band Crazy Weather. So, they just played few of their amazing songs for us. So, yeah, any questions and comments?
No, actually, I just joined in, so
Yeah.
I have questions.
Do you have any song request?
Song request. So, what kind of songs you all play?
We have that FIFA song. We can do that if
Yeah, we can do that.
we can do.
Yeah.
Yeah, we got a little song for the upcoming FIFA World Cup.
I think we should do
Yashodan?
sometimes before that.
Yes, sure, you guys can play. Yes, I
Yeah.
would love
So
to play that.
what Gookie and Arpan they have done is, since the FIFA World Cup is just around the corner, you know, it's starting from 12th of June. So what they have done is, instead of doing a cover, Pitbull or Shakira for that matter, they have composed. We have our own Indian version of FIFA World Cup theme song.
composed.
So yeah, they have
That's
composed
right,
their own
very own
FIFA World Cup song.
Indian urban
Sure,
middle
that'd be
class English version for FIFA World Cup 2014.
So would you like to hear that?
Yes,
Yashodan?
sure, I would love to hear it.
Yeah. So let's hear it, guys.
Cheers, Yashodan. This one's for you, man. This one's called Just for Kicks. Love football like we love rock and roll. I bow to bed every time they score a goal. Football is just for kicks, happiness and a few tricks. It's Messi is king, but Ronaldo rules the world. Rooney was the favorite, but Suarez will be your best bet. Torres will run and Chiro knows why. The mighty shall rise, it's written in the sky. Portugal to India, conquistadors to Africa. They this game is played like a big hell yeah. To the side and pray, my dear. Football is just for kicks, happiness and a few tricks. Talent on the pitch like Zlatan Ibrahimovic. Book your jersey, book your flight. Won't be long before it's fight night. FIFA season comes to town. Who will wear that football crown? Who will wear that football crown? Who will wear that football crown? Who will wear that football crown?
Okay, well, that was amazing. Shakira and Pitbull, watch out.
Just for kicks.
Just for kicks, yeah.
Yeah, Yashoda, what do you think of
I
our...
loved it.
Oh, yo, thank you.
Thank you. Who do you support? Do you watch football?
Yes, of course. That is amazing, man.
Okay, just like our Facebook page, all right, and keep in touch with us. You know, we have
Sure.
something for you.
Sure. That will be great. Okay.
Thanks, Yashodan.
Thanks, Yashodan, for coming on India Post Live. Do we have
Thank you
Rishabh?
all.
Thank
Yes.
you. Thank you so much.
Okay, take care. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Well, guys, so that was really cool. I mean, you know, in
Thank
such
you.
a short
Thank you.
notice, I mean, you guys came up with such an amazing song.
We
I
love
mean-
football. We do.
I mean, what
I do,
how did you guys go about it? I mean, you know,
I just, since you told me, let's come up with a song, we just threw in a couple of lyrics.
Because-
It's easy because football is close to our hearts and we are very critical. We watch the games, follow the games very critically.
So yeah,
it's
I
easy
mean,
to write the lyrics. yeah.
I'm a Bengali,
Yeah.
right? And in Bengali, if you don't know how to play football, you're not Bengali enough.
even
If
in
you don't know how to
office as
swim,
well.
you're not Bengali
Chiro's
enough.
heard you and Chiro's very happy with that.
Yeah.
Chiro's my friend. Hi, Chiro.
Hi, Chiro.
All right.
Okay.
So we have to, and you know, this morning Guki sent me like a video, and he said that this is what we got to do, and this is what I've written. I like the idea just then and there, and
Yeah.
I worked out some parts for it, and we met in the evening, and we sort of put it together, and you know, here is the icing on the cake.
Because you know, actually, I wanted, you know, to do some cover for, you know, this, I mean, because since football is just around the corner, and I was like, you know, we just came up with this idea, like, okay, why not, you know, ask the band to play one football song. So I just called up Guki, and Guki was like, no, we don't want to do this. We will, you know, come out with that. I was like, okay, well, that's great. I mean,
We always do that, yeah. We've, I mean, before this, I've been performing with a band for a couple of years. So I remember we went for another gig and they asked us to come up with an old version of a thing just to show how original you can be, how cocky you can be, I think. How, you know, like you can take it from one place to the other. So that's always interesting challenge to do that. So.
yeah, so Guki, I mean, let me ask, I mean, you know, you were earlier associated with the band Them Clones, if I'm not wrong.
Yes.
Yeah. So I mean, you know, you always wanted to do music outside Them Clones. I mean, we always.
Well, it comes down to, you know, once you've been playing with a set bunch of people for a couple of years, then those tendencies tend to harden, those styles tend to harden around a particular sound, you know. So after playing with the Clones for about 12 years, I've been with the band for 12 years, we've kind of achieved that one sound that the band was in. And I kind of wanted to come out of that sound, I'm not ashamed to say it, and try to do something which we
Different.
haven't been doing.
Yeah, something of your own different, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hopefully, which doesn't sound like the last decade, which we've been through, and we herald like a new sound, you know, and some new ideas, and that's the you know. And plus, I've been playing guitars right now. This time around, I'm singing, which is definitely a
step ahead.
different experience.
Yeah.
I haven't done that before, so.
So,
it's like that.
Arpan, let me come to you. Do you guys do covers as well, or just you guys do only your own original?
Okay, I
songs?
mean, when we talk about cover, you know, we have like two approaches to cover. There are people who go nail a cover just like how it is, you know, because
Yeah.
they don't want to disappoint people
yes.
with what their experience of a song is, okay? And there are these people who come up with their own version of a
the
song,
song, yes.
keeping the integrity of the song alive, all right?
Yeah, that's
now,
important.
That's very important. Now, what Crazy Weather has done in the past few gigs is we've played some covers, but we've tried to reharmonize the covers. We try to put our own element into the cover. And we've sort of kept it as minimalistic as possible. I mean, we want to play, we're looking forward to play like an all-original set list. You know, at the end, people are looking for some kind of familiarity in a gig, you know what I mean? If they have not heard your music, they're going to stand and wonder what's happening. So to keep them engaged, to have a little bit of us and a little bit of them, we do play a little bit of covers here and there.
Which we enjoy.
Which we enjoy, for
We
sure.
play some Muse, we'll play some Muse, we'll play some John Mayer and
yeah.
stuff like that. We're a three-piece band.
Yeah, we're a trio.
Yeah,
and-
you're a trio, yeah.
So
We know our limitations,
Yeah.
but those limitations just help us to go all the way. You know, rather than making half measures, we know that this is a performance. We're either going to screw it up or we're going to like do well. So
Yeah.
let's just like whatever, jump at it.
And also, I mean, do you guys only do English songs? I mean, or
So
do
far,
you-
yes.
I mean,
so far.
because just 2 weeks back we had this band, okay,
Yeah.
who do songs. I mean, in regional languages, and
Yeah.
for them the idea is because they want to connect with the audience.
Yes.
yeah.
So
Here is something that I have to say about it. When we are singing in English, we are trying to connect to an audience which is worldwide.
Because
You know?
but then
And,
talking specifically about India,
Yeah.
because obviously I mean in rural areas obviously people do not listen to English songs, right? So I mean you need to make a connection with those
No, we don't.
We don't.
You
we
don't
don't.
want to?
No. We don't want to. We are making music
For
first
ourselves.
exactly. That's the first
And
intention.
then
motive.
somebody trips on it is great. Yeah? Like, come buy me a beer, man. Like,
know,
And,
like
and,
that.
and just tell me, I mean, how many people do listen to Western music in India? I mean, except for metros. I mean, you
But
talk
that's
about
where we come from, yeah. We're not trying to be a Rabbi Shergill. We're not trying to be, unless I write a
Yeah.
song in Hindi or a song in Punjabi or a song in Bangla. What? Papon is doing great. He's a
Yeah.
Assamese
Yeah,
music
Assamese, yeah.
artist.
So you
He's doing-
have a
So that's
consumer
great,
for everything in India, all
But
right?
that's not where music comes
Yeah,
from.
and let me
music doesn't
assure
come
you,
from a consumer
let me assure
perspective.
you of something. If you're saying that out of metros people are not listening to music in English, I mean they are listening to music
Of
in
course.
English because we see our analytics. You know what I mean? Where our music is being streamed, who is downloading it, we get details of everything from media, all right? So we know who's streaming us. So there are people streaming us in Nagpur, there are people streaming us in UP, in Varanasi. I mean, there is literacy everywhere now. Every school,
Yeah,
I mean,
yeah.
so
No,
there are.
I'm not saying that
all of
people don't-
Northeast, the all of Northeast, the all of South India.
Northeast
alright?
is
The all of
Definitely.
yeah. So I mean, like
biggest consumer for
yeah.
like Western music.
I mean, like all of East, Northeast, South India, North India, Western India. It's full of it. I mean, we want to spread it to people. I mean, there are places, suburban places, where people don't understand the language, but they dig the music.
But they dig the music.
I mean, there is a band called
They get
Avial.
the energy of the band.
Yeah,
and, you know.
Avial.
There is a
Yeah,
band
I've
called Avial which sings in Malayalam. I mean,
Yes.
I don't understand what they sing, but I just dig the music, you know?
Fantastic.
I dig Japanese music. I dig German music.
I've heard
all
of
right?
it.
I don't understand the language, but I dig the music. You know, music doesn't have a language.
That's why it's an alternative band,
Yeah,
you know. We do alternative things, we do things alternatively.
Yeah.
Either ways.
So what's the roadmap ahead? Do you guys have another album in the pipeline?
Yes, we do. We've been working on a couple new songs, and definitely we'll hit the road once we start gigging.
Yeah.
Have some new material out.
So when do we get to hear the new album?
Once you've completely heard the old album.
Okay.
It's like that. Once you've heard that.
We've done about 4 or 5 new tunes, okay? And we want to promote our last album, and we're going to be on road very soon. We're just waiting for the summers to finish now and the festival seasons to
Yeah,
begin.
yeah.
Before that, we have a lot of brush up within ourselves to do, and we are actually working on that. So once we are done with us, we get on road. from
Yeah.
here.
You got to do your homework before you hit the stage
Yeah.
and make a fool of yourself if you haven't done the homework.
Yeah.
But but that's important. That's important. You need to be.
Okay, guys. On that note, I have to wrap up the show.
Okay.
Thank you
Thank you.
so much for
Thank you.
coming here today and sharing your music with us. Thank you,
a pleasure.
Buki, and thank you, Arpan.
Thank you.
Well,
Thank
guys, on that note, we have come to the end of our show. But the conversation continue on India Post Live. Do send us your tweet at @India Post Live or #India Post Live. That's our Twitter handle. You can also post your comments on www.indiapostlive.com, or you can also send you can record a video and you can also send that. You can also log into our Facebook page and post your comments there. I'll be back next week. Till then, keep that music inside you alive. Thanks for watching the show. Good night.
Thank you.